Insecurity everywhere in Nigeria today. They say that the army will get something they need to tell us about wetin dey happen. The country wey be say for inside southeast, they dey pursue Biafra people like say they be snake and make dey bite them. But for inside north, Boko Haram are rehabilitated into the military and give them a second chance to be part of Nigeria. Oh, if you are an Igbo person or you are against this that happening in Nigeria today, you must support your people. But if you don't support your people, let's ask ourselves this question: why is Biafrans that arm themselves to protect themselves are the ones targeted, and the Boko Haram are being rehabilitated and put into military? So somebody should explain to me. In Niger Delta, they say they give them ambulance, but for back they still can't buy them. Things are happening. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Barabas GC. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See they here they bring you updates back to back as they hot. Remember, say this channel they here they bring you update. The only way you go do for us now to make sure say you they follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. We'll go quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. I want you to watch this video, and this question that I ask here is very clear, and for you to understand what is going on. Because when they come outside, they go shout, hey, insecurity for southeast, but the insecurity, the north, Hausa land, they don't finally take Hausa. They take Hausa land every day. And for those will be Hausa, because this time around I give Hausas respect before. I respect them for one thing, but now they have lost it all. You people are saying Funali like Tinubu are now selling Yorubas. I think that don't worry, we'll talk about that one in the next video. As Hausa they thought say Funani our brother, this is how Hausa is gone today. Hausa Funani, our brothers, this is how, because they are Muslim, you are Muslim. Some of you, this is how Hausa people is gone today. And now they are taking over your land. Now the same people where they rehabilitated or put inside Nigerian military. Now the same people that come take over your land. If you watch, don't worry, that should be in another video as well. If you watch that, there was their video that is trending, where they are celebrating for the people where they don't buy for inside north. You see the uniforms they are wearing there. Where most of those people you see there are the same army they rehabilitated. The police you see there are the same them you are seeing. They leave their duty posts or they on break on their watching and they come there to celebrate with. Do you think that all those people are there, all of them are inside bush? No. Some of them are inside stations. When the time reach, they will come outside to do what they know how to do best. But however, let me play you this video and you listen to this particular man waiting the talk for this video. Then before we'll come back and continue.
What Nigerian army is doing is recycling insurgency. They are simply recycling insurgency. And my worries and my pay for Nigerian people is that we have docile leaders from different sections of this country, from different ethnic nationalities. Leaders that have chosen to be docile, that have chosen to deliberately remain dumb and stooge and a walking stick in the hands of fools. The last time I checked, we have prominent leaders from northwest, from southeast, from southwest, from south, from middle belt, who are seeing the excesses and they are seeing the misgiven by some few individuals in this country, and are keeping quiet. I put it to them that in no distant time, if they think because they are leaders today, they have the backings of the security, they have all it takes to be protected, in no distant time, they will also be affected, because there is no champion forever. They will not remain in power forever. And the evil that will befall Nigeria people will cut off with them. So the high time they to speak and then decide and take cogent and the very correct decision against this, I see as recycling of insurgency the better for us. I don't know if you are seeing the danger ahead. It's easier, I'm a trained forensic psychologist. It's easier for you to rehabilitate somebody who is mentally retarded, either as a result of drugs or any other factor. It's easier to rehabilitate him and redefine his mindset and make him a better person, and as well re-engage him to the society. An insurgent is an extremist. He is not dwelling all he's doing based on how much you are giving him. An insurgent is an extremist that can sacrifice even his life, and thinking what he's doing it to the glory of God Almighty. And let me give you my take on this and where I am seeing danger ahead. So once upon a time we had OPC, and these people terrorized the southwest, and the government dislodged them because of the excesses in their activities. They were never seen as potentials to be re-engaged into the Nigerian army. The last time I checked, we had Bakassi. They were also pushed away by Nigerian security, and their activities were banned. They were never seen as potentials to be re-engaged into Nigerian military. The last time I checked, we had Niger Mental militants, the Avengers, and the whole of this. They were also given amnesty by the federal government. These boys who have the potentiality to dislodge Nigerian military, confront them headlong in so many instances, we are never seen as potentials to be engaged, to be re-engaged into Nigerian military. The recent one is the IPOP that were dislodged and even proscribed by Nigerian government. I am aware most of them are still in detention. This group of persons have never been seen as potentials that will be rehabilitated and be engaged into Nigerian military. But here you have a terrorists, people who have seen Nigerian military to be their number one enemies, people who have come out headlong to confront Nigerian military, killing them and other innocent people. They will just go and say they have surrendered, and then the next thing, Nigeria will still spend the taxpayers' money instead of prosecuting them according to the act of terrorism and probably hang them to death. Take them off the face of this country because they are terrorizing the people of Nigeria. Nigerian government will go aside the huge sum of money is spending on security because of this Boko Haram, will go and again spend more money rehabilitating them, and the worst of it, engage them into Nigerian military. If you are not seeing the danger I'm seeing, if our leaders, those side leaders I call them, from ethnic nationality, are not seeing the danger that will befall us in near future, I am putting it to them. Some of us have sacrificed our life to say and put on the table nothing but the truth, and to help the near future. I see myself as a leader in near future, and I will not be leading a country that will be in total chaos. America, as powerful as they are, I've never heard when they will arrest ISIS and then think they will now re-engage ISIS into American military. It's not done. American military is instead infiltrate ISIS. They will instead infiltrate ISIS to get intelligence report and then nip it on the bud on whatever situation to curtail their excesses. But in the case of Nigeria, you are now seeing Boko Haram infiltrating the Nigerian military, and that is to tell you the danger that is lying ahead. In the next 10-20 years, mind you, we will have more than thousands of Boko Haram into our Nigerian military. Recycling insurgency, that is what I called it. And what it means, we have vibrant, able, committed youths of Nigerians. I give you an example with FCT. The last recruitment list I saw from Nigerian military, nobody origin of FCT was enlisted in the list I saw. We have so many youths who want to join Nigerian army, but the opportunity is not being given. But here is an insurgency giving automatic ticket to join Nigerian military. What is wrong in the after sensitizing, rehabilitating them, engage them into what we call civilian JTF? What is so important that you make them officers of Nigerian military? There is danger lying ahead, and let Nigerians see this and wake up from their slumber. And our docile leaders of ethnic nationality wake up and speak when it's time. Now, the issue is just this. If you want to join Nigerian military now, how I see it, go join Boko Haram. After 1-2 months, surrender yourself. Nigerian military will bring you. They will go and do what they call rehabilitation and engage you. That's what it means. The multiplier effect is negative. It's very, very, very dangerous going ahead. And so I call on Nigerian people to again open their eyes and say no to this trend, ugly trend that is continuing in our society.
Share this video and make sure that this video go viral through you. Share it to the group, to any page, anywhere you can share the video. Share it, because a high time that this message get to where it's supposed to get, because what is happening and what is coming is not something that me and you will also stand, because we see it coming. They are in the bush celebrating. They are everywhere, all the whole forest in Nigeria. They're everywhere and waiting for the last order for them to come. In your village may not be prepared when they will come, and it may be a very heavy thing that will happen to this Nigeria country or business center, where they call country. My people, please, I want you to leave your own opinion for this thing where this person, this our man, this our brother, anybody you call it, talk for this particular video. I want you to leave your own opinion. Nigeria military get wetin they want tell us. How you go catch somebody where they buy people, we get mind to put a bomb for him body, go enter where, buy people, buy even himself. You go get that kind of person where they already get this kind of orientation. You go get the person because say you don't bring her to the society. But when you see somebody carry flag, say, wetin would they do us, we no like her, we need freedom, they go carry am, go buy, or they go put am for inside prison, say nobody go talk put. And they say this country where they go on for this country, now the way unity, peace and unity, they go take there. If those moral people like Udele, them where they come outside, when they talk nonsense, all these videos, they see them. In they see all those kind of video, why not if you come outside, bring out one Alhaji, or bring out for inside Abuja there, the casket? You cannot do it, because if you do it, they will pick him up. But when you come to some people, you go see somebody go carry one papa now papa and Julian, they talk nonsense with you mad. You know, say some things where they happen. Don't be say we know they see. Sometimes we choose to just do video posts. But if you watch am, waiting they go on, it go reach everybody. It happen for north, it happen for east. But the one where they happen for north now was pass. But the military where they carry come for east now big pass. Una know they ask una self question. Because east they go dey them hard to conquer, to take over. It go dey them hard. That's why they fight, so that they go neutralize everybody wey carry arm for inside east. If they fit neutralize all of them, that means they don't succeed. That's why they try hard to neutralize all of them. But as you know they work for them, that's why they see them, they cry everywhere. And you were supposed, if you come outside to address your people, say, stop doing this or do it like this, fine. But you can't tell your people that otherwise. Why you are seeing waiting they go on for a kuro eyes? Recently, they buy many people for inside that place. Now, Biafra people go there, go buy them. I've been a Biafra Liberation Army. I've been a ESN. Go Plateau, go buy people. And I no go see those ones they talk. However, my people, share this video and we'll quickly see you for the next update as it hot.